Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a Simple Image Generation App. From Concept to Code. Imagine you have a magical artist who can draw anything you describe with just a few words. A cat wearing sunglasses riding a bicycle in space, for example. This isn't magic anymore. It's what artificial intelligence, AI, can do. In this lesson, we're going to understand how AI can create brand new images from scratch. And how you, as a developer, can start building apps that do exactly that. We'll go from a simple idea to the core concepts of the code. Most AI you hear about might recognize things, like an AI that tells you if a picture has a cat or a dog. That's discriminative AI. But our AI artist is different. It's generative AI. Think of it this way. Instead of just identifying ingredients in a meal, generative AI can cook a whole new meal from those ingredients. It learns patterns and styles from vast amounts of existing images and then uses that knowledge to generate something entirely new. Before we get fancy with AI, let's remember how computers handle images. To a computer, an image isn't a picture. It's a giant grid of numbers. Each tiny square in that grid is called a pixel, and its number, or set of numbers, tells the computer its color. So, when our AI draws an image, it's actually creating a massive array, or matrix, of numbers that your screen then translates into colors and shapes. From a developer's perspective, this means we're dealing with numerical data, just like any other data our programs handle. How does our AI learn to draw a cat or a bicycle? Just like a human artist, it learns by looking at thousands, even millions, of examples. We train the AI by showing it tons of pictures along with descriptions. Over time, the AI starts to spot patterns. What makes a cat look like a cat? How light reflects. Different styles of drawing. It's a bit like a student studying a huge textbook. The AI learns the rules and elements of images so it can combine them creatively later. This collection of examples is called the training data. Once our AI artist is trained, how do we tell it what to draw? We use a text prompt. This is simply the phrase or sentence you type, like, a dog wearing a chef's hat. Our app will take this text, send it to the trained AI model, our artist, and the model will then try to generate an image that matches your description. The better you describe, the closer the AI gets to your vision. As developers, we're building the bridge between the user's text and the AI's artistic capability. So, how do we actually build this? As developers, we don't necessarily need to train a model from scratch. That's a huge task. Instead, we can use existing, powerful AI models that others have already trained. We'll typically use a programming language like Python, which has excellent libraries, collections of pre-written code. For working with AI, we'll connect our code to these pre-trained models, often through an API, application programming interface, which is like a standardized way for our program to talk to the AI model and ask it to generate images. Let's imagine the steps to build our simple app. 1. Setup. Install Python and the necessary libraries, like requests to talk to web APIs, or specific AI libraries. 2. Connect to model. Get an API key or access to a pre-trained image generation model, e.g., from a platform like Hugging Face or OpenAI. 3. Write code. Your Python code will take the user's text prompt, format it, and send it to the AI model via its API. 4. Receive image data. The model sends back the generated image, usually as raw image data, those pixels as numbers. 5. Display. Your app then takes this data and displays it to the user. Voila! You've just brought an AI-generated image to life. Building a simple image generation app is just the beginning. You've learned the core concepts: generative AI, data representation, training, and model interaction. From here, you can explore more advanced models, fine-tune models with your own data, or integrate image generation into complex applications. The field of generative AI is exploding, and understanding these fundamentals empowers you to innovate and create incredible new experiences. Keep exploring, keep coding. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.